Hey guys, Coins here, back with another YouTube video of coin roll hunting, and today in this YouTube video we got a box of pennies and we found one ender. Very nice. We ender. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll see you guys when it's open. Alrighty guys, it is now open. As you guys can see there. So let's take it out, see if there's any other. Okay, we got one thing. 1972 Canadian. Okay. And here it is. The wheat penny, and it is a 45. It's pretty cool. You can already tell there's going to be a lot of wheat pennies in this box, so yeah, let's keep searching. Remember what I said about there being a lot of wheat pennies? First roll, 1957. I mean second, because their first roll was, yeah, but that's pretty cool. See you guys when I find something new. Alrighty guys, welcome back to another YouTube video of Coins, and today in this YouTube video, what am I doing? This is the exact, I already started this video. So basically, we've got 3 wheat pennies so far. 2 of them I found last time I recorded, 1945 plain date, 1957D. Just found a 1944D. And what do you know? There's an amazing, it almost looks proof, penny right there. Nothing else in the roll besides that wheat penny. Pull that out. 1958D. It's 4. Let's take a look. 1959. Look at that. Look how amazing of condition that's in. Wow. That's awesome. So yeah, let's keep searching. Hey guys, I found another wheat penny, if you can see it right there. But basically, I didn't tell you guys in the last clip what the heck is going on, because before I had the really nice desk that I was searching through coins, and that was in my basement. Now I'm back in my actual room, and now I have this desk that has that right there, and the lamp and stuff. But anyways, we're back here now, and it was like a month before. It's been like a month and a half. The last 2 clips ago I recorded. So I stopped searching through this box. My guess is gonna be a 58. Yep, it's another 58D. It is in really good condition though. So not complaining about that. There's a 64. And yeah, looks like that's gonna be it for this roll. See you guys when I find something pretty cool. Alrighty guys, we found another wheat penny just like that, but before I get to that, found a 1957D and a 1941 plain date, I think. Yeah, just a 1941 plain date, that's that one. 1957D in different rolls. So yeah, let's take this one out. My guess is going to be 50s. Yep, 53. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wheat pennies for the box. Let's keep searching. Let's try to get double digits. Alrighty guys, I found something that I haven't found in a long time. Look at that. See the tip of that? It's a bird scent. 1867 and 1967. Oh yeah. That is awesome. I love the bird scents. This is my fourth one I found. I haven't found one of these in a while. I love the design. But yeah, so let's keep searching. Alrighty guys, here we are with the wrap up of the video. So first of all, 2009s. We got early birth and childhood, 3 of them. 1 something. Why can I not remember what these are? Hold on. This is gonna be a little shaky. Formative years, yes. That's what that's called. 1 of those. We've got 4 professional life and 3 presidency. All are uncirculated. The best of them, 1982D, 1970D, 1980D, 2017 Ps, 4 1959Ds. It's really neat, messed up penny. Looks like someone was just trying to do something with it. Let's see, for Canadians, we got a 1991, 1983, 1981, 1978, 1974, 1972. We got 10 wheat pennies in total, double digits. 10 wheat pennies in total. 1945P, 1957D, 1944D, 1958D, 1958D, 1953P, 1957D, 1958D, 1953D, and the oldest one is 1941. Plain date. We got one more Canadian than this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 Canadians. Plus this one. This one's a special one. Because look, it's a centennial. Got the 1867 through 1967 bird on the back. Love that design. But yeah. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't already, please go down and comment, like, feel free to subscribe, and also share this video on any social media via Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. So thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah. Coins out.